Hello everyone, in today's video I thought I would share with you how to make a box out of a gift bag. Sometimes you just get stuck in a situation where you are in a desperate need of a box for your last minute gift and you just do not have the time to go out and pick up a new one. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you the whole process, so let's get into it. First thing first, you need to grab any gift bag that you have and basically just remove both handles. Once you've done that, you need to measure the width of the bottom part of the bag. For this bag, it is 4 inches. I'm just gonna add 1 inch because we need that extra inch later to close the box. Next step, you need to cut 5 inches along this fold line. So I'm gonna come in with my ruler and mark 5 inches. And once you're done, you need to do the same with the 3 other corners. From here, to create the tab, you need to make 2 lines. So I'm going to mark the top part of the bag 1/2 inch and another 1/2 inch. So now what you have to do is to trim the first line, and then using a ruler just fold the other line to get a nice and neat fold. And this is how it looks. I'm going to do the same to the opposite side. And next step, you need to fold all sides just like this. Now we are going to work on these 2 flaps. I think they are a little bit long and I need to make them a bit shorter. So I'm gonna trim 2 inches both sides. For this side, I think I need to trim this tab a little bit to make it perfect. So I'm gonna do that and then I'm going to work on the other side. On this side, I'm going to create a tab, so I'm gonna come in with my ruler and mark an inch right in the middle. And using my scissors, I'm gonna cut out all the extra parts. On the opposite side, I'm going to cut an inch right in the middle so I can easily close the box. And you're gonna end up with this beautiful box that you can use for your gifts. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video and I will see you in the next one.